But if you listen to the contractor, if you hire a contractor and you want to do everything by yourself, if you choose everything, if you tell him which design you like, and you ask him to do exactly what's your idea, then in this case you don't need to hire a contractor. It will be better to hire like a handyman. You will tell him, he will do your job. Of course, at the end of the day, there will be not a really good result quality-wise, but your job will be done. But if you're hiring a contractor, it's very important, because a contractor, like for example me, as a contractor, I'm working with 5 different designers every single day. I'm meeting them, I'm going with them to the job site, they are like making drawings for me, the design for me. It means I have knowledge from 5 different designers. It means when you hire a contractor, maybe you don't need to hire a designer, because the contractor already know what he is doing. But of course, it will help the contractor if you give them a little bit information, what you like, what color you like, which kind of material you like, and what's the purpose of the renovation you want to do. This was just a advertisement for myself. I'm asking you to hire a contractor. It means hire me, or maybe my friend.